My name is Miss Caitlin, and today we are going to use our scarves in the songs towards the end of story time. So please grab a scarf-like object for those songs. Welcome back, friends. Today, let's begin by singing Bread and Butter. We are going to clap our hands in a nice, steady rhythm as we do this chant together, okay? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as low as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as high as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as fast as we can. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Wow, very, very slow. Now, we need to wake up our fingers, and we're going to do that today by singing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Okay? The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain that washed the spider out. Out came the sun that dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Let's learn about our early literacy tip of the day. If you don't already, I highly encourage you to cook with your children. Not only is it a great bonding experience, but it's also a good way to help teach them early math skills. That's right. So even the youngest ones can help count your ingredients. For instance, if you're making soup, you might start with 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 3 potatoes. And your child can help you count them as you prepare them and use them in your recipes. Let them see the recipes too. They'll see how the numbers tell them how much of an ingredient you're going to use, how long you're supposed to do something, how hot the oven needs to be if you're baking, for instance. So there's a lot of ways that you can sneak in some extra little skills as you're doing an everyday activity like cooking, and it's fun. Let's sing a song to go along with our early literacy tip of the day. Since we talked about different vegetables, we're going to sing a song about vegetables. And this one's called Carrots, Peas, and Broccoli. Carrots, peas, and broccoli, vegetables are good for me. In my snack and in my lunch, vegetables are good to munch. Carrots, peas, and broccoli, vegetables are good for me. Very nice. Can you help me count the vegetables one more time? Okay, how many onions do I have? 1. This is 1 onion. How many potatoes do I have? 1, 2, 3 potatoes. There are 3 potatoes here. What about carrots? Do you remember how many carrots I have? 1, 2 carrots. Do you notice I went out of order? So we have 1 onion, 3 potatoes, and 2 carrots. You can count all sorts of ingredients as you use them to make your food. Let's read a book. Today we're going to read Baking with Dad by Aurora Cacciapuoti. It's all about a little girl who gets to bake with her dad and their cat. Today is a special day because what would be a special day for you? I am baking with Dad. That sounds like a very special day. I love to bake. It's one of my favorite hobbies. We already have all of the ingredients. It's important to choose them carefully. All right, so let's take a look at some of these ingredients that they didn't choose. They're not going to use pencils. They're not going to use spiders or roaches or toilet paper. No, that's not food. We don't put flowers or socks or chicks. Very silly. When we bake, we use things like flour, lemon, raisins, eggs and milk, baking powder, butter, cocoa, sugar, all that good stuff. Let's start. Crack the eggs. Uh-oh. One cracked on the kitty. You have to be very careful with eggs. If you make a mistake, sometimes they can ooze everywhere. Then add the sugar. Woohoo! And now, mix, mix, shake, shake, whisk, whisk. Those are 3 ways to combine the ingredients to make sure they're all mixed in together. You can use a spoon, you can shake it, or you can use a tool called a whisk. Next, flour. Lots of it. Achoo! Oh no! They got flour all over their faces. Then, we need butter and milk, right? Depends on what they're making. But yeah. Uh-oh. Looks like Dad slipped on the butter wrapper. That's why you gotta keep your kitchen tidy. We'll need lots of fruit to finish off our creation. He's wearing the fruit as a hat. Be patient. Let the magic begin. So they're waiting. They're looking at their creation in the oven, waiting for the heat to cook it all up. Now it's time to decorate. Ding dong! Quick, quick! Ooh. Do you notice how they're decorating? Can you guess what occasion is going to happen? Ta-da! Happy birthday! Wow, what a cake! Surprise! They made a birthday cake and they decorated for his birthday. And now they're dancing. Happy birthday. Brought their friends and family together to celebrate. Dad, are we gonna bake again next week? The end. You'll notice it takes a lot of work to clean up after a messy kitchen, but it's still worth it most of the time. The end. Let's sing another song. Today we're going to do pat cake. Since the girl and her dad just made a cake in the book we read, we are going to make a cake too by doing pat cake. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. You roll it and you pat it and you mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Very good. Do you want to try that one more time? Okay, let's do it together. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. You roll it and you pat it and you mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Good job baking. Now it's time to grab our scarves for the next two songs. Since this story time is kind of food themed, of course we have to sing popcorn kernels. Let's begin. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Good. Let's do that one more time. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Good. We are also going to sing We Wave Our Scarves Together. We wave our scarves together, we wave our scarves together, we wave our scarves together. Because it's fun to do, we wave them all up high. We wave them all down low. We wave them in the middle. Because it's fun to do. Now we're going to throw them. We throw our scarves together, we throw our scarves together, we throw our scarves together. Because it's fun to do, we throw them all up high, we throw them all down low, we throw them in the middle. Because it's fun to do. Good job. So that's it for today's story time at home in the Livermore Public Library. I hope you have fun cooking together and learning together and singing together. Let's sing one more song before we say goodbye. We're going to sing Tickle the Clouds. Tickle the clouds, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high, story time is over. Now say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody, and I will see you next time.